Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, we're going to be talking about the last one in the new Everyday Luxuries line that dropped. Yes, it's none other than Aqua Hour. Yep, it was the only aquatic released this time round. We did get one aquatic last time as well, which I'm loving because listen, I was in a total aquatic vibe last year and I'm feeling it be rekindled already with this fragrance. Before we get too much into the review and comparison of Aqua Hour, today I am definitely sporting the blues, baby, to go with this Cleveland weather. It's been cold, like sub-zero temperatures, and I'm just like dying for spring, but I'm going to dive into the blue, baby. Dive into the blue, because today on the lips, I'm wearing Snowdrift. Yep, Snowdrift. Look how freaking pretty this is. Yep, the silvery white, and then the blue, almost like iceberg blue. It reminds me of like Arctic waters, like how icebergs look under the water, and I'm loving it, absolutely loving this one. And it smells and tastes like a peppermint sugar cookie. And the eyes, I'm wearing my own. You guys, I've used this so much already. I'm wearing Frozen. Yep, Frozen. She is absolutely beautiful. I do have it mixed with a tiny bit of Velvet Plum today because I kind of wanted a little bit of a mixture in it. But y'all, this sucker can be blue or a very washed out pretty blue. All depends how much you want to layer, how much you want to blend, how much you want to build. Yeah. And you guys, the launch of Valentine's Day yesterday on the website, Banger Beauty by Mary. I'm telling you, I'm already working on getting some products restocked. So if something is restocked, I will do a good restock here, probably around the end of the month, so that if you didn't have a chance to get it, you can get it then. I definitely want to make sure you guys who want this stuff in time for Valentine's Day will indeed get it in time for Valentine's Day. I have a pretty good turnaround ship time. And you guys, all of these products are handmade by yours truly. Yes, I literally make with my own beautiful little hands every single one of these products. So I'm working my butt off, y'all. I'm working my butt off. But yeah, so rest assured, if you weren't able to grab something that you wanted, I am working on a restock. But let's get into this video. Okay, Aqua Hour. You guys, when I did the haul of the luxury line, I was so excited when I smelled this. Scent notes are watery bergamot, fresh peony, and salty cedarwood. They're calling it bergamot, but I almost want to call it like a twist of grapefruit, a tiny bit. It definitely is coming across a little bit more grapefruit than bergamot. I have been wearing her. The longevity isn't super fire, but however, you guys, most aquatics don't last hours upon hours upon hours. It is something you will have to respray or refresh your scent throughout the day. But I did get a good 4 hours of wear out of her, which is not bad for an aquatic, let me tell you. But it's absolutely beautiful. I get like that citrusy note that they say is bergamot, but I swear it leans a little more grapefruit. I don't really get peony in here. If it is there, it's very muted. Definitely get salty cedarwood. It has like this salt note in it that it reminds me a lot of Saltwater Breeze. The salty ting that's in Saltwater Breeze is just a tiny bit more toned down. But I absolutely love this. I am all for another good aquatic for my rotation. And she's beautiful. She's bright. She's bouncy. Very pretty. Definitely screams by the ocean. Water vibes all the way. Now they're saying that this one, I heard a couple of different ones. I heard the Tom Ford Neroli Portofino. I have to disagree with that because there's Neroli in Neroli Portofino. There is no Neroli in here. The other one I saw a ton was Armani's Aqua Di Gio. And you guys, I don't have the OG of it anymore because I went through it. But again, Dossier with the win, honey. They have aquatic peony, which again, my little label maker, gotta love that baby, gotta love that baby. Scent notes on Aqua Di Gio Aquatic Peony from Dossier. Mint, black currant, lemon, aquatic accord, peony, jasmine, pink pepper, cedarwood, and laudanum. So we've got lemon in here, bergamot in here, peony in here, peony in here, cedarwood, salty cedarwood. You guys, yes, this is their dupe for Armani's Aqua Di Gio. I did go ahead and spray them on some testers today. I might need a little more. I might need a little more. I sprayed them on there a little while ago, and then I went and I got sidetracked with doing some laundry, and I think I need a little refresh, just a little refresh. You know what's interesting though? The top note in here, it even says on the scent notes there's mint in here. I definitely do get mint notes right off the top of it, which I didn't really notice that much until smelling it in comparison to Aqua Hour. My opinion, I feel like Aqua Hour is a brighter version of Aqua Di Gio. They're not identical. They're close. I think they would layer beautifully together. I definitely want this in the perfume. Oh yes. It's beautiful. In fact, I will say, if I have to pick between the two of these, I'm going with Aqua Hour because it is brighter. Whereas with Aqua Di Gio, that mint note is throwing me. Let's do a little on my hand. Let's do a little on my hand. It is good though. Damn. Damn. You definitely get that lemon note and the mint. I pick up jasmine in this. A tiny bit of cedarwood. I will say these will probably layer beautifully together, like beautifully. They're close. I will say on the dry down, they're about 95% the same. I take back my comment of saying I would pick this over this because I don't know at this point. They both have unique qualities. I do think the dry down on Aqua Di Gio is better, but again, it's a perfume. It's not a body spray. But did they do the hella damn thing with this? Hell yes, Aqua Hour is fabulous. I did see some other comparisons though, yo. I did. One of them is my beloved Sailing Day by Replica. I absolutely adore this scent. I really need this in the big bottle because I'm so afraid I'm going to run out of this. I tend to use it a little more sparingly. I wore this perfume a ton when I took my daughter to Cabo for her 21st birthday. And I just will forever remind me of Cabo, Sailing Day and Midnight Swim were like, and Tom Ford's Metallique I took with me then. And I absolutely adore all three of those scents. And they will forever remind me of Cabo now. Scent is very memory making, let me tell you, baby. Sailing Day, though, is not on the bottle. Okay, notes for Sailing Day is C notes, aldehydes, coriander, red pepper, juniper iris, amyl salicylate, rose, seaweed, ambergris, cedar, and amberwood. I love this scent. This scent, there is just something about it that is just absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful. Right off the top, you definitely get those C notes and the aldehyde, which is kind of like an airy, almost ozonic type of a note. I do get a lemony note in there as well with a little bit of juniper. No rose. I don't pick up any rose in this. Definitely pick up cedarwood and amberwood in it. It's just an absolutely gorgeous scent. To me, it literally makes me think of being on a boat with your freshly washed towels with like that line, like fabric softener type of a smell to it mixed with the ocean air hanging on the railing by you. And the sea is just spraying in your face and you maybe just sprayed yourself down with like a lemony type of a body spray. I don't know. It makes me just think of bright, beautiful ocean, open ocean, being on the waves. It's gorgeous. It has a fresh air quality to it as well, and I love it. So is it like Aqua Hour? Woo! No, I think there's more of a fresh air note that's in Sailing Day that is not in Aqua Hour. As bright as this one is, it's not as bright as this is. But they are, I do think, again, these two will layer absolutely beautifully. I am an aquatic nut, and I love both of these, but they're not the same. They're not the same. The next one I want to compare it to was the last aquatic that came out in the luxury line. It is On the Horizon. I'm so glad they updated this labeling to one we can actually read. Like, look at that. Way better job, Bath & Body, way better job. Even with the scent notes. Like, the scent notes on these were almost, when you're a little bit older and your eyes ain't working exactly the best anymore, the white is better, honey. This, you gotta be like, the hell does that say? Scent notes are watery bergamot, blue lotus, and driftwood moss. Hello, lover. I can't wait to pull you out again come spring, summer. Oh my God. This is absolutely beautiful. It almost has a sweet note to it with the blue lotus. And the bergamot in here is a tiny bit sweeter than what's in here in Aqua Hour. Yes, it's definitely a sweeter version, whereas this is a bit airier, more fresher. And I still do pick up what comes across to my nose like grapefruit notes in here in Aqua Hour. Whereas I definitely get bergamot in here. Absolutely gorgeous. So yes, this is more of a sweeter, bergamot heavy scent. There is some beautiful wood notes in there, but this is definitely lighter and fresher. And again, to my nose, the bergamot in here definitely comes across a little tangier like grapefruit does. So no, these are not the same. The last one I want to compare it to, because y'all, I've been hearing a lot of tings. I've been hearing a lot of tings, and I'm going to set it to rest today, because I have a scent that I wear every single year. Here, we have the islands here in Lake Erie, and one of them is called Put-in-Bay. We go every single year to Put-in-Bay for a family trip every July usually, and I take the same perfume with me every time, and it's MAC Turquatic. Yep, look, I only have a little left. I'm getting sad. Yeah, MAC Turquatic has scent notes of water notes, lotus, Amalfi lemon, Virginia cedar, anemone, and orris root. I just love this scent. It's so freaking pretty. I'm trying to be sparing because y'all look at the hella dent in her. I will say the first spray, you get a ton of that Amalfi lemon and the lotus. If anything, oh my God. In comparison to On the Horizon, this is actually sweeter. The lemon is much heavier in here. And this is brighter and more fresh air. This definitely has a very deep lemony note. The lotus is evident in here. The cedar is evident. It is a beautiful fragrance, absolutely beautiful. So this is more lemon heavy. If this kind of clears it up, this is more lemon heavy. This is sweeter. With the bergamot and that blue lotus is sweet, and this is definitely fresher. It has a fresher vibe to it. But I love all of them. Like, honestly, I just want to drench myself, and I'm dying for summer to come back. I'm dying for the warm air and to be laying in my pool on a floaty drinking something with alcohol in it. Yeah, sorry. I hate winter, damn it. I hate winter. I hate it. The older I get, the more I'm like, this is bullshit. You know, and Anthony, thank God Anthony's old enough now where he can go out and he can use the snowblower and shovel and all that. But still, I just hate freezing my baguettes off. Yeah, so what's that expression? It's colder than a witch's titty out here. And it was this whole damn week, let me tell you. Yeah, that is my take on Aqua Hour. Your girl's in a mood today. I'm going delirious from the frigid temps, I'm telling you. But that's my review and take on comparison on Aqua Hour. What did you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I definitely want to hear your thoughts. Make sure you head over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Check out Snowdrift or Frozen in the eye candy and the gloss. And I'm working on that restock, y'all. I'm working on it. Other than that, y'all, we're at my favorite part. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.